Alright, so we are here back on 2K19 and we are back with the man Eric Myles Jr. in his senior season in college, ready to make an impact to the NBA, but he's got to make this journey first, as you already know. As you see, we took home 5 wins. That's good enough, but we lost 3 times. But I want y'all to take a look at something. Y'all see here on the first game with Tennessee, it was 56-80, right? Alright, so check out the second time we had tried to go up against them. It was still a loss, of course, but look how much more points we put up in this game. We're definitely improving on trying to beat these people, so you already know that's what we're gonna do. We improved on our points trying to beat Tennessee and LaMelo, and they still stayed at 80, which means that you know, we're gonna probably eventually beat them one day whenever we go up against them. But anyway, that ain't the point right now. The point is we're gonna take on Iowa State here at home. This is gonna be a really good home game, and there's one guy we gotta watch out for, and that's that man Jordan Davis. He is a very vicious player and somewhat vital to the Iowa State, so we gotta really be careful and make sure that they ain't doing anything. Just make sure that the jerseys are there. But anywho, I would put on the white jerseys, but I kind of want to rock out the red to show the homes, just show the home we are out here. But yeah, but without further ado, let's go ahead and let's dive right into this game. Yes, sir. Look at the boy Anthony Edwards here. We're here at home. They're 3-3. We're 5-3. So it's gonna be looking like a cool little matchup we got going on here. So did you guys see the starting lineup? Jordan Davis is gonna have to take on Edwards, but hopefully Edwards can put that defense on him. Loving their jerseys. Ugh. There he is, right there, the man, the hour. We don't care about them. Let's go ahead and let's get this thing started. There's Jordan Davis there. Let's see what we gotta do. You feel me? I'm moving inside. That's my... Oh, wow. Never mind. It's okay. It's okay. Jordan Davis is there. We gotta watch out for him this game. I already know. Alright, nicely done. Right here. Yes, sir. Oh, that's mine. Paints. Let's go. First points in the game. Let's get it. Look at Jordan Davis. Look at Jordan Davis. And he gets the bucket. I'm telling you, he is gonna be a problem. Jordan Davis. Alright. We fine. We okay. Give it to Brown. Set that pick. This man never does a pick. Oh look, give me that ball. Alright. Hey yo, you come set this pick. Alright, I see you. Whee! Let's go. What a way to random plays. This Iowa team is nothing, actually. Look at this. Nice movement. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, we at the gate. That's green. Light. Let's go. We're really out here with that momentum. Next play, we're definitely doing some plays now. We gotta run some. Alright. Let's call up that quick ISO real quick. I want the ISO work. You're gonna get this ISO work today, we. Better get that. Oh, dang it. Why did I pass it? Hello, Davis. You ain't slick. Oh. We good. We good. Let me cut around over here. Nice. I see you, Henderson. Henderson right here, bruh. Oh, yeah. Go ahead, Anthony. Oh, yes, sir. Oh, come on, fam. That's mine. Yes, sir. Oh. Alright, alright. Look at Jordan Davis. Look at Jordan Davis. Oh. He missed. Oh, we out. Why did I pull the jump shot? Oh, yeah, go up, O'Neal. Let's go. Hitting it up. Giving me my first assist. Actually, my first assist is actually Henderson. I didn't even see that. And they need a timeout. 6-13. Iowa State is not looking like a problem tonight. Alright, coach put me in the second quarter. Oh man, I ended up fouling and giving him the and one. Oh my. Darn it. That is all my bad. Was not trying to give them points. But you see, they kind of caught up a little bit, but it's not a lot though. Let's go look for that screen. What the heck was that animation? I was trying to call up a screen. That's how you call up a screen, right? What the heck was I doing passing? Okay. Yeah, I got there too quick. You didn't see me? Yes, sir. Everybody's on a one man. Everybody's on a man. Block that. Make sure that doesn't go through. Oh yeah, we out. Oh yeah, we out. And oh. And that's Jordan Davis giving him a foul. You already know. Sinking these real quick. Sink these in real quick. Sink these in real quick. That's all it is. Uh-oh, Davis. Davis? Is he gonna do stuff? He's getting blocked a mess. I don't have range like that. I don't know why I took that long three. I'm good though. It's all good though. It's all good though. It's all good though. I'm playing that good defense though. What you gonna do? Yeah, pass it off. Fam. Oh, you got me jumping. Ooh, nice behind that back pass. Okay. Okay. What y'all doing with it? What y'all doing with it? Nothing. I ain't doing nothing with it. Alright. We need that screen. Hold on. Let me just get a quick ISO. Let me just get this quick ISO work. He's gonna need it. Ooh. Out of my way, and look at him committing that foul. Oh my goodness. We got Duke to take on next week. The Trojans. And Oregon again. But anywho, that's none of our business right now. We're out here trying to win this home game. Yes sir. Hey, yes sir. Send me to the line. And now they're down by 10 just like that. I'm saying we are a really good team. I don't think so. Come on now. Come on now. He knows me better than that. Let me get my change. Let me get my change. Oh, actually, go ahead, Sharif. Oh, dang it, Sharif. Hold up. I'm sorry, Edwards. Do your thing, Edwards. Sinks into 2. Alright, Edwards. 3 here. You already know what's about to happen. Ooh, sizing him up. Going right. Ooh, left. Hold up. Hold up. Nice. Nice. Right here. He's not even there. What? Fam. Dang it, I'm too small. Oh, look at Jordan Davis out here trying to get him this team back up. Okay. I see him trying to get his team back up. And that's gonna be halftime. 41-33. We'll see you guys when we come back at halftime. Start on the second quarter. The boy Darnell has more points than me right now. That's crazy. He's trying to show out, show out. I like that though. I like that though. Nice defense. Oh yeah, we out. Oh yeah, we out. Oh, he blocked my junk. But good put back by Edwards. Yo, Iowa was really playing some nice tight defense on me. And but our team is actually doing really well. They're trying to do our thing. I don't know, this time around his defense is not there. Oh, hold up. Let me get this wide open three real quick. Stop playing with the boy. Come on now. Come on now. Stop it. My defense is a little off this episode, and now y'all committing. Oh my gosh. Alright, look at this. We out, we out. Get in my... Yo. Yo, come on now. Come on now, 2K. You know you want me to get that poster. Stop it. My field goal percentage is really bad. I need to slow it down some and give it more to my teammates. You see, I'm still taking that one route. Come on now. Stop. Let me make sure I'm on him. Ooh, nice steal. And that's a 3 for me. Time out. Look at the score. They're still at 33. Oh my. Y'all getting blown. As y'all can see, I hit 21 points. We got Davis here. Where you going? Oh, where you going? I got my takeover. Fight through the screens. Oh shoot, oh shoot, oh shoot. Let me get to my guy, let me get to my guy. Come on, Brown. Come on, Sharif. Sharif, get on him. Clamps. 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 This is my paint. Ooh, look at the maneuver. Look at that. Huh. How you do that with your arm? I don't even know. I don't even know how he did that. I don't care. 23 points here in the third quarter. They still at 33, fam. They're still at 33. Maybe Jordan Davis is not that big of a deal to us. He's gonna help out this team though, but he ain't doing too well. Oh, clamps. Clamps. Oh my god, y'all are just straight dookie. Another 3 for ya, boy? Thought so. Alright, here in the fourth quarter. The coach subbed me in. They got some points up finally, but they're still getting blown here. Why would they pass it to me right here in the key? I mean, I don't mind it, but you know, I'm trying to do my thing. Go ahead, go up. Darn, Howard. But nice way to go ahead and give him. Oh, yes, sir. This man greens when he's in the line, like nothing. Oh, I gotta take that all the way back. Oh yes. Why can't I get a rebound for once? Griffin, you better do something with it, my guy. Better do something with it, my guy. I'm playing that lockdown defense. Nice. Nice. Oh, yes. Oh, come on. You can't be short, Edwards. We all good. It's all good. Hold up, hold up. Hold on. He think I'm playing. He think I'm playing. I have... Yo, that little snatch I do, I can never get a shot off of it. Okay, Davis. I dare him to go to the line. Let's go. Give our ball back. We're having a good game tonight. This is going to be a 6 win. You already see he's not guarding me. He's not guarding me. That's mine. Let's go. He's not guarding me. Stop playing with your boy. 26 points out here. Georgia is loving it this season. And they rightfully need it too. They will remember this senior season for the rest of the fans' lives. Oh, he got his own rebound. You see him? Heck no. Get that out of here. With that close contest. Another three? I gotta stop doing that. Just go in the paint. He is cold right now. Icy cold. Defense, y'all. Defense, y'all. Alright. It don't matter. We'll take it. Anyway. Well, I was just about to spit some bars. I had that little beat going on. 1, 2, 3. On my way. Let me back up. What the? Oh no. Come here, Jordan. Get that out of here. Jordan really thought he was out here about to just get this easy little dunk or whatever he was trying to do. And they need a timeout. Get him out of here. You're not getting that. Stop it. You're not. Here you go, Sharif. Sharif, do something with it. Do something with it, Sharif. Let's go, Sharif. He stayed doing the right thing. If only I could steal. Oh, that's mine. Yo. Come on. Oh, he want that ISO work. Bro, you're not getting past me. Stop it. I'm here. Sharif, get on him. And Young is left wide open. Garbage. Garbage. On my way, Davis. That's my owl. I said owl. Foul. Go ahead. Sink these 2-3 throws in real quick. Easy little free throws. Know what I'm saying? Oh, that's green. Yes, sir. 28 points this game here at home. Playing that good defense. Looks like he still won another ISO at work. Oh, I was just about to steal it too. Oh, dang. That would have been perfect. Let him be open. Let him be. Heck no. Oh, oh that's alright, 2K. Alright, 2K, fine. You want him to grill in his mouth? I'm gonna grill in his. Let's go. Stop playing with me. If you're gonna grill at my mouth, I'm gonna grill it right back at yours. Oh yeah, yes sir. That's my. Oh my. I stay trying to get into lane. But anyway, that's gonna be the end of this game. Oh, yeah, you better hold it. And that's gonna be the end of this game. Iowa State stayed at 50. We got 75. The home crowd is loving it. You can hear them in the background. Oh my, this was a good game overall, y'all. Very good game. Hey, very nice indeed. The boy once again came out here with 16 minutes in playing. He had 31 points, 0 rebounds, 1 assist, 1 block, that nasty block to what's his name, Davis, 2 turnovers, 9 for 22, gotta do better, 5 for 11, it's a little bit better. No dunks this time, no little dunk highlights, it's okay, but Darnell out here doing his thing, 18 points, 3 rebounds, 1 assist, doing even better with his shooting, oh my. This dude is on a roll. Hammonds out here has 7. Howard as well has 7. Edwards sadly only had 4. But that's probably mostly my fault because I keep trying to take over. And that's fine. Ooh, look at that block. Like I was saying, y'all, I had to start doing more team chemistry. But as you see right there, it's on 70. So it's definitely getting better. But anywho, if you guys did enjoy this episode, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next one. It's your boy Lou the Go, signing out. Yes, sir.